Pretty. Ah, no. Why? Why? No. You're in the corner of my picture, you stupid bit of cellophane. Howdy everyone, welcome back to my channel and another attempt at flow art. Pouring mediums and pouring acrylic paint on canvases and then seeing what we get. Tried this a few weeks back and some mixed success. I think the paint was well, let's be honest, the paint was rubbish. So this time I've bought some new paint. It's still not brilliant, but it's better than the stuff I had. I have my blowtorch. I have some canvases, which are old canvases that I'm going to cover, and there's some fresh ones as well. The weather's looking pretty near, and there's lots of screaming kids running around, so apologies for that. And this is our attempt. Just got to say, my laptop's even taken on a new skin to look like flow art. If only I could do that, that would be impressive. Let's begin. Okay, now before we begin, please excuse this. This is set up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to attempt to do a Dutch pour. Now the Dutch seem to do everything weird. They play darts with rubber dartboards, and their swimming competitions involve rather large flippers and things, but they're weird, they're wonderful, they're odd. Hello Dutch people, if you're Dutch, leave a comment down below and tell me who you are. And they do painting weird, they do painting with a hairdryer. They do. A Dutch pour involves this, so we're going to see if this works. Once again, if you want to see how it works beautifully and perfectly, watch Molly Leach's videos and you'll see. But we're going to try it. I've got a canvas set up which was a cityscape painting, and I've mixed up some white with the FCO pouring medium, and everything else is mixed with the Floetrol. It may be weird, it may not work, but we'll see. So I'm going to pour this, see how this pours. Okay, it isn't flowing, it's not pouring. Maybe I should have done this on an old canvas. Maybe this is what's wrong, I don't know. I mean, I can't say that this is what's wrong with the painting medium, when there's many reasons why this doesn't work. Ah! How the hell? The bracelet caught on the lip of the paint pot and knocked it over. Oh well, start as you mean to go on. Guess we'll start with burnt umber then. Okay, we're gonna go like that. 2, 3. This is the orange oxide from the last attempt that I did and I really like. Okay, let's, oh, I forgot to be white. Okay, let's try this. Is it like the first pancake that never goes right? Maybe that's what it is. Attempt 1, slosh. Attempt 2, artist board. Let's try that again. What's making that sludgy brown colour? Must be the burnt umber and white. Quite a lot of that. This does have a sort of weird skin kind of effect. Okay, we're gonna go. Mix more white up. Go that way. A bit more successful. I'm still getting this wishy-washiness of colours. I will do. I'm going to mix up some more white. You know what? We're not going white, we're going black. Grounds that I don't have any more white paint. I've mixed this in the white tray so it's gone grey. So we've got a Payne's grey kind of colour. Right. We're going to do. Should we do a flip cup or ring pour? Oh, sorry, we're doing ring pour. Okay, big cup. Going dark. Paint, you can do anything else with it. A dribble of red. And I'm going to dribble a few drops of silicone in this. See what it does. Let's try and shade, get rid of the shadow because there we go. Okay, ring pour. We have a brown muddy ring pour. I guess it looks realistic. Wanted that. We got that. We've got this. Might as well try and use it. So let's see how successful the blowtorch is today. Works. Why is this working? It's weird. Not really giving us much cells. Centre. It's going to ripple down to the far end and level out. Still got excess paint, so going to ripple wave going down there. Let's swoosh it back this way for one last time. Come on, wave. Don't get down. And slowly. Dribble. Corner. Sweep. I think we have a success, finally. Okay, all using, whether it's gone, the Floetrol. I'm liking it. Looks like wood. Very weird. Alien wood. And no yucky, sludgy, pinky colour. Okay, should we do one more? Let's dump all the paint into one. Okay, all paint, one pot. Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It was very self-contained. And once again, my table is tipping. That is a lot better. Pull this out a bit. Ooh, look at all the cells flying out. So many choices. It's like, do I save the orange? Do I save the blue? Come on, you can do it. Go on, you can do it. Go. Red doesn't want to move. I think I'm going to leave that there. Why is it the best cells are all on the table? Can I blast that cell to come out a bit more? Oh, okay. I'm turning you off. Hopefully you get the idea. The idea being, number 1, number 2, number 3, although the cellophane's just tried to attack it, and it may have damaged the corner. I'm hoping it's going to rectify itself. So I'm peeling skin. This is like fake skin. It's peeling off. And number 4, the flip cup with way too much paint in it. Super good. I hope you like this. I hope this was good. I will show you the examples of this when it does, so I don't know why I'm talking to you now, but I am, so there we go. Cue me. Right, future Nick. Oh, thank you. Hello, this is me. I'm in the future. It's so cold and dark. Attempt 1. Yeah, sludgy brown. If it didn't have all of this, the blues and the reds would be fine, I think. Although it kind of looks like demented turkey there. It's okay. Kind of mountains and peaks into a waterfall, dead turkey, and sort of some sort of weird, I don't know, volcano. It's alright, nothing great. Attempt 2. Excuse fingers because it's on board. It's a bit better. It's still a bit strange in colours, but that's not bad. It's better than the first attempt. The alien wood pour, the blue and red and brown and black, pretty cool. I quite like this. It has dried very dark and there's a small spot on there, and the cellophane did attack it and try and peel the paint off. It did dry a lot darker. It's a shame because there's some really cool cells and things on there. But last one, flip cup with way too much paint. It's a shame the red didn't linger. Most of the red peeled off the side and I saved the blue, Had tons of cells, but yeah, I lost a lot of the brightness of it. It dried very dark, but not bad. That's it. That's my second attempt at a ring pour and a flip cup, and my first attempt at the Dutch pour, and better than my first attempt, that's for sure. Hope you like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment down below. Tell me more colour combinations to try. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I did right. Tell me you liked me. You like me? No? Just leave me a comment. Tell me something. Tell me your name. Tell me where you are. If you're from the Netherlands, yay! Guten Tag, hello. I don't know what Dutch is for hellos. Oh yeah. I'm rambling, so I'm gonna end it there. Hopefully you enjoyed this and you will come back again next time. If you hit the subscribe button, then you will be aware of when I post a new video, and you'll come back and see more being in London, being creative. That's what we do on London Creative. Hope you like this, and I will see you again soon. Bye. That's one for the outtakes, I guess. Right. Oh. The paint on for the base hasn't flowed, and it's just pulled in weird shapes. My bracelet's caught on the lip of the cup and poured half my burnt umber over. I don't know what I'm telling you, you don't know what I'm on about. Detrimental effects tutorial. It's so pretty! That's me. Oh, it's paint all over the camera.